Alright, so I'm basically going to be going over my whole entire Kitmap server in hopefully a very short amount of time. I don't want to like drag this out too long, but before I really get into it, I do want to say a few things. We are looking for media and we are soon looking for staff. If you are interested in becoming media, you can go ahead and create a ticket or message one of the owners or managers. Um, if you are looking for staff, you're going to have to be patient. Right now, our staff applications are not opened, but they will be soon. You just got to give it time. Maybe by the time you're watching this, they might be opened. But as of right now, they are not opened. They will be opening up really soon. Secondly, we will be releasing a beta on October 22nd. It will be a Kitmap beta at 4 p.m. EST. You can come on, join, and win a few prizes. We are giving out a lot of ranks and a giveaway. And if you do participate in betas, you can earn yourself an exclusive beta rank, which will give you lots of perks. So now that that's out of the way, let me go into the actual beta and how our beta is designed. We are creating like a pretty much a very fair standard Kitmap server. I know there's a lot of Kitmap servers nowadays that are just filled with pay to win, and let me kind of show you what we have to offer. First of all, partner items will not exist on our network at all, so you don't have to worry about people who spend a lot of money on partner items. I do believe partner items do create a huge unfair advantage between donators and non-donators, therefore we will not be having them. Secondly, we will also be changing a lot of mechanics about HCF, and we will be introducing some new class changes and some new gameplay mechanics. So, I think now I should go over the kits, because we did change a lot of the kits, and I know I'm saying a lot of things really fast, but I think it's going to be better that way. The first change is coming to Bard, which will only be applied to HCF only. It will not exist on Kitmap. It might exist on Kitmap in future releases, but as of right now, on October 22nd, the change for Bard will not exist on Kitmap. So basically, with Bard, you basically get two new debuffs are going to be added to Bard. They'll be Poison 2 and Slowness 2. I'm a very lazy guy, so it's just probably going to be copy and paste of Wither, except change the Wither to Poison 2 and Slowness 2. So the energy is going to be the same, and the whole entire duration is going to be the same. That will only be applied to HCF as of right now. It will not be enabled for Kitmap. The next one is Archer. So Archer is a bit of a damage increase, a damage buff to Archer. So basically, if you do end up Archer tagging a guy, you will gain strength 2 for about 3 seconds. The entire purpose of this is for you to create space between you and a kit. It only lasts literally about 3 seconds, so it's not like you can ding some guy all the way down there, then pro after him. I'm in GM. You know, I can't pro anyway, so that didn't matter. But you know what I mean. Basically, it gives the Fast Wars the ultimate tool that they need for kill aura. But obviously, we will be looking out for cheaters, so you shouldn't have to worry too much about that. It's just a damage buff to Archer. The next is Rogue. Rogue is a little bit of a silly one. We thought that we'd just give it a try and see how it goes. Basically, we kind of removed the whole entire purpose of Rogue. We removed the back angle check for backstab, so you no longer actually have to hit anybody in the back for backstab to work. You just have to hit them once with the gold sword. I don't think there is too much of a cooldown for it. I think there might be a pretty long cooldown for backstab. So hopefully it kind of balances itself out, but yeah, it's going to be fun to see nonetheless. Another thing that we will be having for Kitmap is some nice little things over here. So first of all, like let's just say you are a nice rogue player. You don't like your swords like situated like that. You like them like downwards. Yeah, I don't know. There's a word for it. I just don't know it right now. Basically, you can come over here and you can actually create kits. So if I do /clear, I can actually equip this kit. And boom, I now have my preset rogue saved. You can also, like, let's just say you don't want that rogue kit, instead you want a diamond kit, you can save on top of kits, and no, deleting doesn't work. It's just a nice little fancy button there that doesn't do anything. So that is the kit editor. Which is going to be very handy for Kitmap. The next one, and this one is going to be a little bit disappointing. Basically, if you click on this brewing site, it's going to open up a GUI that's going to give you random pots. You might be wondering, well, why isn't it in like a brewing stand inventory? Well, the spigot that we're using is very bugged, so we weren't actually able to get it stable inside the brewing stand inventory, so we had to just to do with the 9-slot GUI, which is a little bit ugly, but you know, maybe eventually we'll get it working, but as of right now, it's just going to be that 9-slot GUI. That's all the new stuff coming to Kitmap. I guess I do kind of want to go over crates and donators. So if you do want to donate to the server, you are showing support to us. We are going to be very fair, like non-pay to win. So don't think that you're buying a rank for items. I know a lot of people do that nowadays with most servers. They buy a rank because they see how much items they get. On our server, if you buy a rank, it just means that you're supporting us. The items that you get in-game with that rank don't equal what the rank costs. I'm personally telling you that as an owner. So if you do buy a rank, we give you small items, you know, as a show sign for thank you for supporting us. But they're not meant for you to win, you know, pay to win. So on Kitmap, every donator will get the same kit. And that kit is going to be this donor kit up here. Everybody can use it. You can't actually save it into your kit because it contains contrabands, but basically this kit is going to be very fair. This is what I really want to explain for my kit map. Basically, this is Prot 1, Prot 1, Prot 1, Sharp 1. The only difference between this kit is this is feather falling, this regular diamond isn't. That is the only difference between a donator kit and a non-donator kit. It's just, if you're fighting up on Skybridge as a donator, you're most likely to live. However, you do still take half damage. As a non-donator, if you fall from that height, you have to clutch bro. Otherwise, you're really not going to live. I don't think it's going to be that big of an advantage. If anything, we can actually decrease the feather falling. But that is going to be donators. Next, for crates, we basically will be having 2 crates, reward and Koth. Notice how there's no ability crate. That's on purpose. This reward crate you get by killing players and by voting. This is something that you get, like, you can get a reward fire, not a reward sharpness, but you can get a reward fire at least. You can get basic gear. I might add feather falling to the boots, and yeah, this is what you get out of reward. You get this by just voting or killing players. On the Koth crate, you can only get that by capping the cause, obviously. This is Prot 2 completely. It has a Koth fire, sharp 1, fire 1. It does have a Koth sharpness as well, which is sharpness 3. Pretty OP. And then obviously you get that Prot 2. So that's kind of the Koth crates. Note that donators do not get reclaims of any sort. That is kit map. You don't really need a reclaim. I do kind of want to go over the map now. So let me go ahead and take the time to do that. So this is obviously the Skybridge Koth. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Over here it's going to be the Temple Koth. Again, a pretty nice Koth. Each Koth will only be 5 minutes. Obviously, as you can see on my scoreboard, this is Trader Koth, the one that is currently active. Which is, again, so nice. That's this penis-looking structure. Here you got some underground things going on. I think this just leads to safe rooms. Now you can fall down here. If you do fall down, you can get out. You go this way, and boom. Then you get out through this door, and over here. You also have another underground thing right here. There might be another one. I can't really remember. But this is kind of reminds me of like an instructor. You can leave throughout there. Oh, I'm stuck down here. Okay, I'm gonna go back down there. Did not. I thought you could get out. Obviously, we have a bunch of safe rooms over here. You can pro in, hit people, and yeah, so pretty basic. Pretty basic. We do have a little bit of an event thing over here for like a sumo arena for whatever reason. So we might do a sumo tournament for our beta, which would be pretty cool, And yeah, that's actually everything. So for our beta, Nether will be disabled. You can find Nether this way, but we will be disabling Nether. Sorry. It's just we don't really have a Nether that is situated towards Kitmap, so here's unfortunate. But and we will be doing end. Our end is massive, by the way. Here's the end Koth. Pretty nice coth. End exit is going to be a journey. It's going to be a lot of running and a pretty long height. This is our end exit, it's this citadel looking thing. Go through the water. Now this brings me towards one of the HCF mechanics that we're going to be having enabled for this beta Kitmap, just to try it for a Kitmap. It's called end switcher. So all end switcher does, it just switches end exit between all the roads. It does go in a pattern. It defaults to north road. It switches every hour, so after north it's going to go east, south, west, then back to north. And then obviously it'll keep re-looping. So this is our Kitmap beta. Again, October 22nd, it will be releasing. I have no idea how long the beta is going to last. We just need to see how some things are going to work out. We will also be testing performance and all that fun stuff. So if the server does go down unexpectedly and we have to end the beta a lot sooner than you would have hoped, I hope you understand as to why. It might be a critical thing that we might need to fix or something like that. You guys are probably wondering, will we be releasing HCF or anything like that? We are planning to do HCF later down the road. Shortly after our Kitmap beta, we might plan to have a map 1. However, right now we don't have a specific release date for our map 1. But if Kitmap beta goes well, then obviously we will be really close to it. So if you are interested, make sure you join our Discord. It'll be, you know, down below. And yeah, I hope to see you on. One thing I forgot to mention, we will be doing a lot of giveaways next week, or the beta release week. So the betas are the giveaways. We'll be giving away like 5 ranks. We'll be giving away 1 top rank, which is master, 1 elite rank, 1 VIP rank, and 2 basic ranks. As well as, if you participate in betas, you will have a chance to earn an exclusive rank called beta rank. You get lots of perks with that rank, which will show more information about beta rank down the road. So I hope to see you on, and that does it for me. Peace.